All right, man. So, today, uh, let's just say I wasn't in the right mind today, man. So I wasn't able to perform at the level that I really wanted to. I was tired on like what 2, 3 hours of sleep, and that wasn't even like really sleep. I was just really like where you just laying there. So yeah, man. Also when I first woke up, I had a feeling that like today wasn't like wouldn't be a good day for me to trade. But not I'm not blaming on anybody, but you know, at the end of the day, I should have been able to be strong-willed enough to not trade. Because not being able to trade it shows a lot of strength. You know what I mean? Being able to acknowledge, oh, like today probably isn't that day. You know what I mean? But for me to say that I didn't want to trade, and I told my brother, he was like, hey, bro, just trade, blah blah blah. Already, a part of me already wanted to trade. You know what I mean? So I was really saying what like I had an inner voice telling me not to trade, but me myself wanted to trade. It's got to be able to, if I feel like today's not that day, and I know I'm mentally not as sharp as I need to be to perform at the level that I need to be in order to become profitable every single day, then I shouldn't be trading that day. But yeah, man. Today I wasn't in the right mind, right space. Thoughts wasn't clear. I was halfway asleep. So today just wasn't that day, dude. That's it. Yeah, as you can see, I'm already in the cell right now. Which I was I think I was in a buy actually. Yeah, I think I was in a buy. Let's see. Yeah, I got in a buy because I got in a buy because price closed above this level, but then it wicked. But then like I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday, something like that. Same thing happened right here. Buyers is obviously going to hold this level for a little bit, but the overall momentum is really going to come down to who really holds that. So then again, that just came with me not thinking straight and really not being emotionally and mentally ready. So yeah, saying this is a mistake that I made some other day. I think Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah, I think somewhere over here I try to go for a sell. Yeah, went for a sell right there. I stopped out on that too. Like it was just a bad day, bro. Cause I think I only went for a sell because I started breaking this wick, which I only like entering sells, buys, whatever, when a level is clearly being rejected. You know what I mean? So realistically, and then came back up. You know, and at this point, I think I'm pretty sure I said I wanted to enter. So, yeah.
Like that introduction.
All right. I might enter another cell, bro. This shit is fucking
You enter.
hard as fuck. Yeah, I can literally see price, really bouncing off, not the level, but just, not really holding all this buy momentum. So I was thinking, you saw me, you can obviously see me like scrolling up to the cells. So I was getting ready to enter a cell, but then again, man, I wasn't really fully there, like
You entered the cell.
so I'm thinking about it.
Oh no, I would just wait. I'm waiting for structure. It broke a trend line for me, so I think.
And then look, like I don't know, man. Today I just wasn't able to really think for myself, dude. Like my brother's strat and my strat are completely different. We're trading completely two different things. So like he has a different trading style than I do. I have a more scalping type of trading style. I like getting in and out. I like just following momentum. He basically likes to hold a trade for an hour or two. So that's the difference in our whatchamacallit, in our trading strategies. So realistically I shouldn't have took his opinion as a way for me not to enter the trade because it was clearly showing that sell momentum stepping in. And then as soon as I start to see it, like it started to come down hard, and I was like, damn, like I should have took the trade. You know what I mean? Because I would have caught an entry like somewhere right here, and I would have held it because I saw it coming down, so I really saw a lot of sell momentum possibly coming in. Yeah, you can literally. Pretty sure I said I should enter the sell too.
I'm tired, bro.
Enter on that bitch. Should have entered on that bitch. How did I even say right
So what?
I should have entered that sell. Yeah. I started to regret it, bro. Like, cause I would have been a 60-50% move right there, bro. Yeah, bro, 50-60% move right there, easily, especially since these are same day contracts too.
My laptop is loud as shit.
So now I think I took another trade right here and lost. I think I tried to enter
Shit,
still.
slow.
This is really a kind of trade because like there's a lot of things I didn't take into consideration until after I took the trade. So one thing I was thinking literally as soon as after I took the trade, I was like, damn, like this might not be the entry that I should be taking right now because number one, the whole market momentum is bullish right now, especially after yesterday's CPI. So sell momentum is only gonna last so long. You know what I mean? So right here, you can obviously see there's a lot of sell momentum at open. There's always market is always gonna pull back. Yesterday was a very very bullish day. So you know a lot of buyers, sellers start to come in. And literally as soon as I entered, I was like, dude, already two fat candles already came down. How much further can this really drop? Like realistically, if I'm really trying to you know what I mean, follow. If I'm really just, trying to think logically, forget levels and all that. Two fat candles dropped almost. This one's a little bit higher, 395, 39, almost $1. This one, I'll say 399, 94.80, somewhere around there, 394.80, and 394. Yeah, these are like $1 each candles. You know what I mean? Like that. That's a lot of movement. I mean, not a lot of movement, but that's a pretty decent amount of movement for one candle. You know what I mean? So as soon as I entered, I was starting to second guess the trade. Like I was really thinking about exiting, and that's another thing I got to get better at. It's like I can see the trade isn't in my favor as much as I thought it would be. You know what I mean? So as soon as I got into profit, see, I got into profit like 3%. As soon as I got into profit, bro, I should have been out. I should have been out of that trade because I shouldn't have expected a lot from that trade. Like for real, it shouldn't even been a trade that I even should have took. Oh yeah, let me skip forward a little bit. Yeah, I literally took SL off. I was gonna sell, and then I started seeing price going down, so I was like, oh shoot, it actually might go down. So yeah, man, I should have just as soon as I started to push up, I was like, yeah, bro, it's time to sell. I was really hoping for this thing to drop, but it's just wasn't gonna get that. Oh, I did get that. Oh shoot, hold on, let me think. So the highest it went was right here. That was negative 6%, right? Yeah, I think negative 6% was the highest it went. But yeah, on this entry, I really should have just waited, been more patient on my entry. Yeah, 6%. Yeah, the highest I went negative was 6%. So that was literally like half of my whatchamacallit, half of my SL. So it didn't even get close to SL. And then right here, I try to sell literally at the bottom. You see me click it, confirm it, all that good stuff. I try to sell it literally at the bottom. Came back up, went up to like 4% or so. And I was like, damn, do I really want to wait for this to go down? So I was like, yeah, it's probably gonna start to reject up. So I just took profit, man. Today was a very alright day. And then when it closed right here, I was like, I want to enter a buy right now. See, I sound so tired, bro. Listen, I'm sorry for buys right now. I think that candle.
I think it's just retesting the trend line, bro.
Yeah, bro. My strategy is just catching little push-ups, catching real sharp movements. So I'm not trying to catch the whole move for the whole day. Like I noticed that I stress myself out too much when I try to do that. So with the way I trade, it's like it's all about not being biased. You know what I mean? And then I try to enter a buy right here when I saw a lot of momentum start to come in on its level. Didn't have enough trading. Look, and it started pushing up crazy. Yep. Started pushing up crazy. That would have been probably 20% or so off that candle. After that, bro, I was just over it. Like today was just not that day, dude. For real. But luckily I only lost like $16. So I think overall for the week I'm still in profit. But yeah, man. Actually, no, I don't think I'm still in profit. I think I'm negative because I had a few days where I think I had 2 days where I was down $30. So, and then yesterday I made like 24. Before that day, I made 15. So yeah, I started really getting my momentum, my trading momentum on what call it on was it Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesdays when I really start to like lock in, really find my edge. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. Today I simply should have just avoided trading. Honestly, I didn't get the sleep I needed. I wasn't mentally ready. You know. So yeah, I'm getting next week, man. I'm gonna take this weekend off. I mean, obviously I'm gonna take it off, but I'm gonna take this weekend to really try to relax my mind and really try to, what I mean. I'm gonna go over all these trades. So if you guys want to like see that, um, see me going over every day that I traded over this week, it's probably gonna be a pretty long like video because I mean each video is around like 30 to 20 minutes. I think two is one is 40 minutes, another one is like an hour. So if you guys want to see me going over those trades and just subscribe and all that good stuff, feels weird saying that because I don't. Yeah. Anyways, bro. Yeah, I'm just ending the video right here.